Welcome to FreeCAD. Today we are going to learn how to use Polyline command. First click on parametric part, then click on create sketch, then click on plane. Here you will find sketcher tools. This is the Polyline tool. Click on Polyline tool. Click anywhere on the plane. Again, click anywhere on the plane. Now, one line is completed. I want another line, either horizontal or vertical. So, to draw vertical line to the previous line, just press M on the keyboard. Now you can see a perpendicular line towards upper direction or downward direction. You can draw, but I want a horizontal line. Again press M. So now you get horizontal line. Now you get horizontal line. But I want an arc. Again press M. Now this arc is in the bottom direction, now are in the upward direction. This arc requires radius and angle. This is upward direction, radius in the upward direction. Now radius in the downward direction. But I don't want this arc because it is in the anti-clockwise direction or else. So I want a different arc. So again press M. Now see this one. This radius is in the horizontal direction. This radius is in the horizontal direction. Arc is in the clockwise direction. Radius is in the horizontal direction. Arc is in the clockwise direction. But I want again another arc. So press M again. Now radius is in the horizontal direction. Arc is in the anti-clockwise direction. So by pressing M, we can repeat this cycle. First perpendicular line, again horizontal line, again arc and arc. So to repeat this cycle, you need to press repeat M on the keyboard repeatedly. So now shortcut key to Polyline command. To get shortcut key to activate Polyline command using keyboard, press G followed by M. The Polyline command automatically activates.